are in Ventura Beach after the storm. Look how the dunes stop the wave from getting into the homes. This section here had dunes, natural dunes. They were eroded, but the swash of the wave didn't get to the houses. In the places, in the areas, the sections where there were no dunes, the swash just was nothing to stop it. So it went inside the houses or inside the roads. It's the importance of the dunes. We're in Ventura Beach. This area over here, this section over here has dunes too. See the vegetation? When there's vegetation, it means that there were dunes there. I mean, the dune is still there, it just have been eroded, or it will form again. And it made his work of protecting the houses behind the dunes. So we need to construct dunes along all this beach to protect all the infrastructure.